Looking for a refreshing way to enjoy your espresso on a hot day? Let's make a cold espresso with a twist. Step 1. Start with high-quality coffee beans. Freshly roasted beans will give you the best flavor. Step 2. Grind your coffee beans to a fine consistency, just like you would for a regular espresso. Step 3. Clean your portafilter and add your coffee grounds. Tamp them evenly to ensure a smooth extraction. Step 4. Attach the portafilter to your espresso machine and pull a shot. Aim for about 25 to 30 seconds of extraction time. Step 5. Immediately pour your hot espresso over a glass filled with ice. This cools it down quickly and locks in the flavors. Step 6. Add your favorite flavor. Try syrups like vanilla, caramel, or hazelnut for a delicious twist. Step 7. Stir well to combine the espresso and flavorings. Make sure the ice is melting and mixing with the espresso. Step 8. For a creamier texture, add cold milk or a milk alternative like almond or oat milk. Step 9. Garnish with a mint leaf or a sprinkle of cocoa powder for that extra touch. And there you have it. A refreshing cold espresso with your favorite flavor, perfect for beating the heat. For more coffee tips and tricks, follow and subscribe to the Immi Coffee channel on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. Stay cool and enjoy your coffee.